Bangladesh to replace Pakistan in ICC T20 World Cup 2026. A media report quoted a source stating that withdrawing from the tournament would violate a mutually agreed arrangement between the PCB, BCCI, and the ICC. Overview: the source also explained that the hybrid venue arrangement was created after the Pakistan Cricket Board pushed for new model. The ICC's move to drop Bangladesh from the 2026 T20 World Cup has led to controversy, with reports of a possible Pakistan boycott. The BCB refused to travel to India due to security issues after the diplomatic tensions between the two nations. Pakistan is the only nation to support Bangladesh's call for relocating their matches from India to Sri Lanka, a request the ICC dismissed after conducting an independent review and taking logistical challenges into consideration. The Pakistan Cricket Board is now exploring a possible World Cup boycott as a show of support for Bangladesh. As per the Hindustan Times report, if Pakistan opts out, Bangladesh could be added to Group A will all their games in Sri Lanka, as originally sought by the BCB. Although the Pakistan Cricket Board has already announced its World Cup squad, a final decision on the team's participation has not yet been made. PCB Chairman Mohsin Naqvi termed the ICC's exclusion of Bangladesh as unfair. Naqvi indicated that a final call is expected by Friday or early next week, leaving minimal scope for any last-minute changes to Group A. A media report quoted a source stating that withdrawing from the tournament would violate a mutually agreed arrangement between the PCB, BCCI, and the ICC. The source also explained that the hybrid venue arrangement was created after the Pakistan Cricket Board pushed for new model. Meanwhile, reports in Pakistan say that PCB is ready to allow the team to play in the World Cup, but the decision-makers want to skip the February 15 match against India in Colombo. This would further complicate an already delicate and strained tournament scenario.